This tutorial is going to show you how to set up a Gmail account as an email client for your personalized POP3 email accounts. This is going to allow you to send and receive emails with your personalized domain name, as well as utilizing Google's anti-spam software. So to get things started, you're going to sign into the Gmail account of your choice you're going to be using for the email client. Okie doke, once inside, you're going to head straight over to Settings, Accounts and Import. First, we are going to set up Google to check our POP3 email account. Right here, check mail from other accounts. So we'll go ahead and add our temporary example email in here. So for the username, you're going to use your entire email address. Password. Now you can choose here whether you want to leave a copy of the mail on the server, if you want to grab it from a different account later on or whatnot. Entirely up to you. And then simply click Add Account. We'll do this in the next step here, so I'm just going to select No, Finish, and it's that simple. Now when we hit Send and Receive, Google will check the POP3 email account we just set up in there. And moving on, now we're going to set up Google to send mail as another email address. So to do this, a little more complicated. So once again, we're just going to add in our demonstration email here. And we're going to uncheck Treat as an alias, because we're going to be using this as our default. We're not going to be treating it as an alias. Next, we're going to change this to mail.sidedevelop.com. Username, once again, is the full email address. Password, of course. And both of these should work. TSL 587. You switch it to 465, it's going to swap you over to SSL. So we're going to leave it at TSL. And now Google's going to email us a PIN number we need to add in here. So since we already set up this account to check our POP3, all we need to do is hop in the front end here and simply check it, and it should appear shortly. Also, a quick note here. When you set up your POP3 email account to be checked by Google, Google only checks it every 30 minutes. So we just sent away for the PIN. However, in order for us to check for it, we need to hop back into Settings, Accounts and Import, and you'll see here where it's set up, it gives you the option to check mail now. So click that, it'll check the mail for us. And here's our confirmation PIN. So once verified, now we can hop back into Settings, Accounts and Import, and now you're going to set the newly added email address as your default. So now as you compose emails, it'll be sending it from your customized email address. And that's all there is to it.